Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today, pretty exciting. I'm going to be opening up a hobby box of 2021 Topps Chrome Star Wars Chrome Galaxy. Pretty awesome. It's got two little mini boxes in there, kind of like Topps Finest or like Bowman Chrome or something. So it's got 2 hits per master box, 1 hit per mini box, 1 guaranteed Chrome autograph or sketch card per master box. So be pretty interesting. I have not seen a checklist of autos in this, so not sure what's in here, but I have seen some people pulling some pretty cool cards. Watched a few of the pack openings. By the way, I picked this up online from Cards Infinity. Awesome place to get Star Wars stuff, especially on their release days. Usually sells out pretty quick though. But that's pretty cool. They got the Mandalorian on the box art, so hopefully there's some Mandalorian autos in here. So there's the boxes. Let's start with this one. I think these have odds on them too, in case you want to see that. Packs. Okay, so you can tell that like this is a possible. You can feel that it's a medallion card. The medallions are not glued into place for whatever reason. You can feel it rattle around in there. So we'll save that. I'll open that pack first because that's not the coolest types of hits, I don't think. There's that. Yeah, there's just one card in the pack. And it is a ship medallion card. And that is definitely metal. But as you can see, it just floats around in there. Very strange they designed it that way. 77/99. Elo Asti with the medallion. Alright, so that's one of your hits. So you're really only looking for one, real hit. And hopefully get some numbered cards. A small starship evades Vader's grasp. That's cool. Kylo Ren Refractor card. And then we have a refractor here. Mando rescues Grogu from the lab. And Sabine Wren and Zeb Orrelios take on Rook. And Ben Solo uses the Force to revive Rey. Okay, so this one, we have IG-11 rescues Grogu. Got something blue there. Lop and Ocho. Cashin and Jin find the schematics blue parallel. Definitely, just like anything Chrome, Topps does Chrome stuff really nice. 84 out of 99, so the blues are out of 99. So we got Ezra Bridger opens the Sith holocron, and Rey hears the voices of past Jedi. Did I show the pack odds on the actual pack? I don't know if I did. Here we go. Alright, this one we have Director Krennic ambushes Jin and Cashin. Mando takes a job from Ranzar Malk. Ah, there's a nice Rey card. I think I'm going to sleeve that one. And Ezra learns about his parents, and C-3PO's memory reveals the Wayfinder. There's Babu Freak. Okay, next pack. You can get superfractors in this stuff, since it's the Chrome technology. You got Cashin, Jin, and K2SO sneak into the base. Got a Finn character card. Ezra Bridger opens the Sith holocron again. That's a refractor, though. Yoda teaches the younglings on Ilum and Rey in training. This pack we got Mando hands over Grogu. Got a nice Mandalorian card. I'll sleeve that one too. There's a blue. Kira brings the team to Lando Calrissian. That's concept art from the Mandalorian. I believe that's Boba Fett. And this one is 96 out of 99. So we got something from Solo. And we got Chewbacca helps Ahsoka escape, and the rebellion now has hope. Alright, now for the second box. Empty box. Alright, next pack. I did get one other box of this, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be opening one more box of this stuff at some point. Mando embarks on a new mission. The Ninth Jedi. Concept art. There's a blue Palpatine reveals the final order. And the team escapes on a lava river ferry. And Lando joins the mission for a share of profits. So we're getting all blue parallels here. It'd be cool if we could get like a really low numbered card, but just the way it goes. This pack we got the plan to liberate Lothal. Palpatine is destroyed by Rey. Count Dooku. We got the Imperials are defeated, and Han encounters Tobias Beckett. Kira is captured during escape attempt. Mando is told to bring Grogu to the Jedi, and I think that might be an auto. The Razor Crest is attacked by spiders, and Kira defeats Dryden Voss. Vader's destroyer intercepts the rebels. Got an Anakin refractor. We got young Jyn Erso escapes the Empire refractor. Grogu's bond with Mando, and the team steals the coaxium and flees the Empire. Moff Gideon arrives on Navarro. Got Darth Vader card. A concept art with Grogu. Let's leave both these. Put that back there. Here's the concept Grogu. That's pretty cool. And Bo-Katan, Jyn transits the Death Star plans. Alright, one pack left. And this one looks like we got another blue. Han goes after Beckett. Ahsoka gives the spear to Mando. Loved that episode of Mandalorian. Han and Kira run from the white worms. The team tries to capture Mando, and Solo meets Chewbacca in the pit. Alright, so let's see who we got for our autograph. Whoa. Alright. Looks like we got animated Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm pretty sure that's James Arnold Taylor. Yep. As Obi-Wan. Not numbered or anything, so cool looking card. I like the way the autographs look, but not exactly a super huge auto. That one's just pretty cool. I liked his character in those Clone Wars shows. All right, stay tuned for more videos later.